Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. So this is this week, and we are going to be creating a spread for July 28th through August 3rd. I think it's going to be fun, but who knows. So I picked a book that I want to use. It is called Summer Cottage Core by Aesthetic Plans. I also want to use the little sheets that I purchased from Easter Case. I'll show you exactly what it is. So I pre-cut them already, but you will see. So let's go in here. I do want to go into the blue version of this. So we're going to start with that as always. There's like a half of the book is purple, half of the book is blue. As always, she also has all of these little boxes and stuff in the back for you guys to use and for me to use. So that is such a nice comprehensive book. Okay. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, you guys are the best. You rock, and I am so thankful for you. So here we go. I'm going to place this amazing image, like this like little water marina is so gorgeous. So let's go ahead and put a couple other things on this page. I don't know what, but I do need checklists and boxes and all of that stuff. So we're going to be doing all of it. I don't know. Should I start with that maybe? Maybe. I have no clue where should I start because I want it to be so pretty. So let's start with my checklist as always, because that will be the hardest, easiest part that I do, because I have to decide how many and where. But once I do that, everything else flows as always. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go ahead and draw all of my checklists all over. So we have all the stuff. You guys, all the bumps on my hands are from the sun. My hands hate the sun. I do put UV protection, but still the bumps happen. So the minute the high rays are over, my hands are going to be so much better. Okay, so let's keep going. As I said, okay, couple more. So we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and I'm using the thinnest pen ever. It is 0.25. It is called, let me see, High Tack C. It's by Pilot, and I love how faint these marks are, because I want the actual item that I need to do to stand out, not necessarily the circle. And I have been coloring them in, and I do like that effect a lot more too. So here we go. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put some boxes down, maybe. Actually, I don't know. So I have, like I said, I have these little papers that I can do that I cut out from these books that come from Easter Case. But let me go ahead and do this and I'll show you. Okay, so I'm just gonna use these adhesive tape, and you saw these cutting boards in my haul. If you saw my haul, I bought a whole bunch of them. They're super fun. And they're so tiny, and they're perfect for stuff like this. They're not sticky at all, and stuff comes off of them super easy. So hence I did that. So see, just off. And then we're gonna go ahead and do that again. So I'm not afraid to like get the permanent glue on it or anything like that because it'll just rub off really easy. They're made out of like really sturdy material. Okay, I'm gonna put one more here and I'm gonna put two on the other page. And they're not going to be extremely symmetrical, but they are going to be there. So this is like the book that I used. So it says Bloom Along the Way, and they're big enough to make two boxes out of each page. So I have three of those little books. They have so many pages, but and then they repeat. So I think you get all of the designs twice. So technically you get 4 pages. So you can make 8 boxes out of each design. So yeah, so that's where I landed up with. And I love this design particularly. So it just makes me super happy, and I think it looks good with these stickers. But we shall see. We shall see what you guys think, because my opinion is my opinion. Once I start writing in it, it's going to look different as well. So let's put this one on Sunday, and let me see if I can layer some boxes on top of these boxes, okay? But yeah, that gives like a different I don't know what to call it, a different dimension to this spread maybe, because when I put these like boxes on top of it, look at that. And the blue matches so well, but I also want to bring green into this spread because I think that will look good. So, and plus it will give me like a variation of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully do that. So let's take a look. So let's see. Okay. Yep, so that looks much better already. Yeah, I like the view of this. So now I'm introducing the greens, like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So really quickly, I'll just add a whole bunch of green boxes here and there. I would have run out of all the blues since we only have one page of these boxes this time around. So I wanted to make sure that that's incorporated. Okay. Once we place all the boxes, so I need one more for Sunday, and I need my little guys for a work schedule. So once I place that, I am going to be able to decorate the rest. So bear with me as we do this. But yeah. Okay, so how about I do kind of matchy this time since I'm doing something different. I didn't look like how those two looked. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it my old way where the colors match and they kind of stack on top of each other. So even this one, as you can see, when I'm using the green, I placed it in a different spot where it's not on the actual blue. And then I'm gonna place another box on Saturday. That is a birthday, and I'm super excited. It's a big one. So in August, all we're gonna be doing is celebrating birthdays, you guys, just so you know. So August is a very heavy birthday spread for us. So the stuff on the side, what I use for is I will put 7 days of dinners in a box, or sometimes 6, depending if I know we're going out. And then the other one is like just quickly items that I need to do this week that don't have a particular day. And then when I have a minute, I can transfer them into the week and mark them down, or I can just mark them down in there, I guess. I haven't decided how yet, but we'll go from there. Look at this window. with the lavender in it. Okay, so that window is so beautiful, I cannot help myself, and clearly it's on the outside. Maybe on the inside because it has the shutters. Okay, and the windowsill. I don't know, like hard to tell. However, let's go ahead and place the rest of our stickers. So my decorations, no, that will not do. So let's go ahead and place something else in here, but that basket looks so perfect on Friday. We need a couple more things. So I'm gonna use this beautiful bench and put it right next to the water. But how pretty is that with like the book? It's so stunning. Okay, couple more things. But yeah, the cottage is so adorable, you guys. I couldn't, like, I just can't. Okay, so let's keep going. I still want to add a small couple things, not too much. I kind of want to use these bows a little bit and kind of add it to empty spaces. You guys know that I hate empty spaces in my planner, so this will be a perfect little tidbit to like fill in all these crevices. So too much, yeah, too much. This cannot go there. Too many, nope, not balanced. Kind of hate this like that. Let's go ahead and take this guy off. Or girl, I don't know what they are. I'm just calling them, you know, the bows. So let's go ahead and put it maybe by July and August. Yeah, that might work. Okay, so almost done. Let's go ahead and find something for Monday. And then we're probably going to be calling it a day because there's not much more left after doing that. And as you saw, I did another day on Saturday, so there's another box on Saturday, not a day, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. These flowers are gorgeous. I'm kind of sad that I didn't add them. Do you guys prefer paper stickers or do you prefer clear stickers? So I really love paper stickers because I don't have to worry about closing or kind of deleting the lines little by little. This way I can just go ahead and put the stickers down and they're going to take care of the lines themselves. So that's kind of where I'm coming from with it. I really like how it turns out with paper stickers. I know a lot of you prefer clear because of the layering effect. I'm not sure. So again, big fan of paper stickers, but I think we are done. Let me pop this back into my planner. Let's see how it looks. I think that little scrap paper book little thing made the biggest difference. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.